Hey guys, First Coast Pond here. This is one of the shotguns we pulled on our video, First Coast Pond Pulls episode 32. This is the Mart 410 break action shotgun, which it actually says it's made in Brazil. I really can't say it, the name, but it's Companhia Brasileira De Cartuchos. So, I'll let y'all see it. Y'all can pronounce it however you want. You can make that out. But on the top it says Mart Corporation. So Mart apparently had imported it back then. So it has a 26-inch barrel. The brake action is really cool. It's this little lever or this little button here on the front of the trigger guard. So you pull that, brakes open. So I thought that was kind of interesting. So you pull the hammer back and boom, it's rabbit season. Boom, it's rabbit season. See, boom, it's rabbit season. Boom. All right, pull the hammer back, and boom, it's rabbit season. All right, so this one looks pretty good. If you want to find information about it, it is on our website at this point in time until somebody liberates it. So give it a check, firstcoastpond.net. It does have some really light surface rust on the barrel. Other than that, it's pretty clean. So if you have a youngsters wanting to go hunting, learn how to shoot, this would be a good one for low recoil. So you can also give us a call at 904-879-3556. And don't forget to watch our other videos, First Coast Pond Pulls, and like and subscribe.